Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is a very interesting video, okay? So in this video we are going to see that how to do automatically copy and paste using Python, okay? So before starting with the codes, I'll tell you that this copy and paste, okay, this is very useful when you're doing automation, okay? Automation using Python. So at that time, you have to extract text or we have to perform some data entry. So at those places, we can use this copy and paste. And at that time, these are very useful, okay? So let's start with our programming. So first of all, we have to import, means we have to install a library for that. That library name is python. So we have to just write the command pip install and then the name of the library, that is python. Okay, so it will be get installed on your system. Okay, by default also it is available, but if it is not, then you can just directly write this command and it will be installed. So in my case it already satisfies because I have already installed it. Now let's start with our code. So codes are very simple. We have to just simply import the python, and you can import it as PC alias name. Then what we'll do, we'll take a text one, okay, and in this text one, we'll take an input. So we'll just write enter a text, okay, and then using the library PC, what we are going to do, pc.copy, okay, so copy is the method present in the library python, and for the python we are using an alias name PC. So pc.copy, and we'll write the text one over here, okay. Then we'll take text two, and in this text two, we are going to write pc dot paste. Okay, so let me just zoom this, okay, so that you guys will clearly see this. Okay, so we have to just in text 2 we'll take one more variable. In that we'll just use the paste method which is present in our library PC. Okay, and then we can just simply print our text 2. Okay, so let's just execute the cell. So it is asking to enter a text, so we'll enter a text, uh, clcoding.com, and then you can see that we haven't printed the text one, we have just copied text one and printed text two. So now you can see when you have printed text two, so we are getting the same thing which we have entered in text one. So this is how you can just easily do copy and paste. Now the source codes are available in the clcoding.com website. You can go and check out there. There are more codes for different programs. So you can go and check. So I hope you like this short and simple video. We'll see you in the next video.